Soft Foam is known for its dimensional finish that takes basic HTV designs to the next level. And with the power of sublimation, we're able to take it even further by printing full color on this single color heat transfer vinyl. In this video, I'm going to show you all how it works, but before we start printing, let me show you the accessories you need to be able to achieve this from home. First, you're going to need your CAD-CUT Soft Foam, and of course, whatever sublimation design or pattern that you're going to be sublimating the soft foam with. And we're going to be using for this video a leopard pattern available through Stahls and a reusable cover sheet. This is very important to the process. And if you're wanting to add another additional heat transfer vinyl, you can. I'm going to be using a special effect heat transfer vinyl known as CAD-CUT Metallic just to take it to the next level. Let's head to the heat press and show you how this works. The first step to sublimating soft foam is to take your reusable cover sheet or Teflon cover sheet and place that down onto the platen. This is going to help for two reasons. It's going to keep our adhesive from being damaged so that once this is sublimated, we can easily transfer it over to our apparel and the adhesive will still be nice and durable. And it's also going to protect our bottom platen from getting any sublimation ink onto it. Now to transfer our soft foam, I'm going to press this nicely for a few seconds just to get it transferred over to the Teflon sheet. We're going to let this cool for a few seconds to make sure the adhesive is transferred over to our Teflon sheet before we remove its Mylar carrier. Now that it's cool, we're going to expose the soft foam so that we can transfer our sublimation ink to it. Now I'm just taking my sublimation transfer and placing that face down on top of the soft foam. To ensure that no ink is transferring to my upper heating element, I am going to cover with my craft paper. We're going to allow this to sublimate at 385 degrees for 45 seconds. Before removing the sublimation paper, we need to let this cool completely so the adhesive has time to cure, and then we can go ahead and remove the sublimation sheet. Now that it's nice and cool, go ahead and remove our sublimation paper. If it happens to stick at the edges where there was some adhesive squeeze releasing from the sides of the soft foam, all you have to do is just stick that right back down. Now that the sublimation is complete, we can go ahead and transfer to our garment. And I'm working with a cotton poly blend street fleece hoodie from Bella Canvas. The first step is to preheat. And as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be using CAD-CUT Metallic as our contour outline here. This is also going to help with aligning my placement for the soft foam. CAD-CUT Metallic is a cold peel. So we'll wait for that to cool before removing its carrier. Then we can go ahead and place in our soft foam. Now to place in the soft foam, all I have to do is remove this from our non-stick cover sheet. And as I remove this, the adhesive on the back of the soft foam that's going to transfer to our hoodie is completely intact. So as I remove this and place it down where I'm going to be heat applying it, the adhesive is going to reactivate from the heat and cure to the hoodie. Now we have to heat apply, so we're going to cover with a cover sheet. Once we cover with a cover sheet, we'll heat apply the CAD-CUT Soft Foam for its recommended settings. And our sublimated dimensional print with CAD-CUT Soft Foam and CAD-CUT Metallic is complete. So as you can see, this process is super simple, but keep in mind, although soft foam is sublimatable, there are a few colors that work best with sublimation. First is white, also eagle gray, and camel. Anything that has a lighter shade, the more vibrant your sublimation prints are going to look. To get started, visit Stahls.com.
Hey, this is Josh Ellsworth with Stahls TV, offering you the best heat press education available on the internet. If you like the content you just watched, make sure you click the like button at the bottom of the video. Also, subscribe to our channel. We publish new content all the time. It's our full-time job helping you to be successful in your apparel decorating business.